go.
Okay, today, right now we're waiting on Eddie and Justin's dad Ken to get back because we're going to do a pretty cool, mean but funny prank. It's called the doorknob shock. So we'll be with you shortly. Goodbye. Okay, this just in. Today, we just told y'all that we was pranking Eddie and Justin's dad Ken. But just in, breaking news, we just found out that we have another special guest coming over. Mr. Aaron Pizzo, a very old friend of ours. Not old as in age, but, you know, old friend like back in the day. But we're going to also get him with the prank. He might get a little mad, but that's all a part of the pranks, right?
Okay, so here we have a homemade taser that I am going to hook up to my doorknob. So let's see how much fun we can have with this. Alright, for a quick demonstration, I'm going to show you what the taser does when it comes into contact with metal. That one more time. Just arrived. Now we're just waiting on to walk into the kitchen and go to my room.
They have a chocolate John opened up $11 balance. Hey, Monty. Hey, dear boy. You missed me. Yeah, you really.
Did they call you?
I don't know, some number called at 7 o'clock this morning. I don't know if his number had a 76 though.
Oh.
I didn't call it back.
Go put my phone on my bed.
Figured you might know. You know that number?
Might have been somebody for Dad.
I was found on the bed.
What?
There's something up with my
There's nothing wrong with your ass, Eddie. I got a surprise for you in my room.
What are these things?
I don't know, try one. Fat ass. Dude.
Ah! I heard it. Oh, what the fuck?
Did you touch it?
Did it spark?
Smart.
He didn't even do that. Dad, that freak.
Just go look in Justin's room, internet shit.
You got weed?
Yeah.
I saw it fall down on him.
Why did you let that happen?